đi phạt hả chung lông mà tên tao bao la con
đấy những tăng phát phát tốt
จับพอจะบ้าข้าวไปอมไล่ตัวพอเลยนะสับเจงนิดชึ่งนะทอดอาดนะเอาจังทอดกันให้คนนี่น่าสุดสับอยู่ทอดเลยสับเลย
ก็ทำเอาใบเกรียมไม่ใช่
น้อยสะอาดทอดทั้งพวกสะอาดดิเมื่อตัวสับกันนาดอกก็มันเงียบ
ชึ่ง
ไม่ชึ่งนะโอเคแต่ก็น่าเตรียมก็เตรียมมวยจะนี่มวยปีเธอใส่จะมวยเมียฟันดังครุนตีหรอกแม่บุกมาได้ได้มาก็มาไม่นะไม่เมื่อเงือกตัวสับมาเงือกชึ่งไม่เงือกข่าวตาโคตรได้โชว์ข่าวเลยจ้ะมาเล่นตุ่มมาเล่นก็เล่นที่ขับบ้านตะวิน
thôi mà miệng đây chả chạy đây cầm cất cái đói đi cất đây cho anh muốn
คือกันนามันยืดเบาสลายดิเบาสลายก็ขัดคอ
khó chơi đừng thầm đằng sao thầmเอาใบเกรียมคอมเธอคอมฉลาดตัวน่าถ่ายเดี๋ยวข้าววิ่งอ๋อดมใบโบเชียดาวเพื่ออาติเตปเธอมุนเกตั้งอ๋อนะตั้งปีประมาณชนามด้วยชนามผมเปอร์โรยด้วยก็มุนโกเตี้ยนะเฮ้ยมาลินมอมาก้ามาลินมอก็ทางก็มาว่าชนามจัดไปจัดแบบชนามมุนนะเคยหนักเขาใบกูจองกีตาซึ่งจะด้วยเพาะอย่างกระทาป้าเต้าวิต้นดังป้าต้นดังเขาปูเวียบกระทาปืนกันเอาวิสอาดนะการจัดชนามมุนตัวใหญ่แต่มันใจอ่อนลำต้นเต่าอ่ะ
ให้เมนเต้นเต้าอะไรนี่กินเมนกุ้งตะจุ่มวิ่ง
โอ้ไพ่จะเมียนตัวทำมันอาอันนี้ปูสระปูไอกี่เธอเธอกูตึกนู้กี่ปูนี่ปูไอนี่ไงมาลินถาด้วยขบัดถาด้วยเจอนี่ใช่กลมปูขบัดเลยโลกอ่ะขบัดนี้ก็น่าเชียงช่วยตามสีมองแฉใบเปื่อน$นะผมมุ้ยเปื่อน$ก็น่าเชียงมุกติเกิดตามนะเชียงประเทศไทยไง
แน่นี่เนี่ยสนิทสกมกัน
And then that long pedestal is supposed to have like 3 statues. Yeah. Yeah, that one right in front of you is supposed to have like 3 statues.
เขาบัดไปชอบกุย
này em đang chẳng cùi đắp mắt như bột nhẹ tôi chút nhẹ nhẹ
Ồ.
nó làm cái tu thấy là cái bạch này bị ban lên trắng mấy nè về đến phần chất tu chứ về phần đanh mà về
Vừa oi free hả?
tu sắp cái thịt
Tôi sắp thậm cho thế.
cha vòng cha còn cứ nói nó mà mình thật ôi sạch mền ok cha ấy mới thấy con gìนี่ก็คือทำไมนี่คือทำไมมันขาดเลย
In great condition, except the head is missing. And the garden ends in the middle. That is
ก็ยังก่อนจ้าตัวสายโอเคยุ่งก่อน
any arms. That is she.
ไปดงไว้ก่อนไปดงไว้
Forming net was known as Tandawa. Used to destroy things that didn't want.
Mình trong nào mới bỏ
Ồ, mô bị cả lanh.
nó cái lanh nó quẹt ná con quẹt ná
Nó thằng quạt sầm rong.
xung quanh thằng lệch tưng
Ồ, xa thự. Sir, where are you from, sir?
United States.
United States? Wow, America.
You know, you from Cambodia?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
In Siem Reap.
Yes, near the Siem Reap on Tim in Chai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where did you learn English?
What?
Where did you learn your English?
English.
Or learn from YouTube or from our teacher. But never practice speaking, but only listening.
You're doing very well.
Okay, take a photo. Take a picture, okay?
Yeah.
Smile.
You can too.
Oh, this is my English teacher.
Oh yeah.
So, what do you feel when you go our country?
Oh, beautiful.
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 Yeah, we just got here yesterday, so haven't seen a lot.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very,
Yes.
very beautiful and very nice people. Very friendly.
It's a little warm.
Yeah.
So this isolated building here is supposed to be a library.
Cái phố là chung ly à làm bên này bên này mình bỏ mong cô leo xí điện.
They're written actually. They're written.
So, where are you from?
Los Angeles.
What?
Los Angeles.
Los. Oh, wow, America.
Long ways from home. Can I take a picture?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
On the pediment of the god Shiva on top, and his wife was gotten by the demon. You see that below the big guy with many arms, many heads. That is the demon who always come as the bad character known as Ravana. And on his head level, at the head level, off to the right, you see the bird.
Is that rain?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
After you leave. You can see the demon's head, and then off to the left, you see bird, elephant head, lion head, monkey. And then off to the right, bird, horse, and monkey.
người xã hội
get it?
I see it.
Is that a monkey that looks like a rabbit to me? Is that a monkey?
Monkey on the side, the big figure, the guardian to Shiva.
nó miền xe miền nằm ray điện lúc qua nằm ray
Cái miền hay say tê.
cướp đó mấy
Kuruda.
sorry cướp
Animal being frightened, right?
cướp chỉ làm xe cướp
The demon wanted to meet Shiva.
cướp chỉ làm thà xe nó ôm miền xe tiệt
Yeah.
nó mà nước
Shiva
qua
got
xe
mad because
mà nước
the
qua
demon
cướp
was not nice.
Nó chương kia nó thì thay chọt tao ní.
So that's why they
qua nằm ray
bent, got down to
qua
his knee.
sát ấy kia xe
Nó thật có ba đọc được tha rương kia ní hết chạy.
Are those monkeys and monkeys?
Để chân lô rương riêng mía giờ nặng á. Bố mơ không sập hao cái thì prap cứ đà. Ra mai giờ nặng.
chữ mình cái chữ sáp mà chẳng như thật mơ tao việt ru với ăn nên là cha lại chưa tao rưng rưng để nó cứ ru
The for the god. Build the temple for the god.
You may not believe there is a true picture, but there is a true picture. Oh, that's really good light. This time you rely on the camera. We have the Cupid crystal clear picture. On the pediment, you follow the door, get into the library. Then there's a lintel across, and then the pediment. And then there's the biggest figure that is Shiva under the tree. And onto our left, his wife. And onto our right, that is the Cupid who kneeling down with the bow and arrow.
Wow.
Memorize the
One in the shade.
The new reproductive. Yeah, the roof brick.
It's like the library roof.
Actually, all of this building been removed. You see the foundation? Underneath the foundation, they got concrete. Yeah. You have to remove the 3 rooms and then put them back together. Yeah, we have to come back and remove the concrete away because concrete is not good with the sandstone. And here's the great angle, everyone. That's for the photo. This is the best. So we should have the group photo here too. Bảo mau bị khang nè.
Một cái cả lanh.
Lanh.
Fasana nhỉ.
Ở Pasana không tính.
Fasana cả lanh.
Ở nơi cái lanh như tính.
And where do we stand?
Right in the down
The
there.
light on that is
Yeah.
perfect. I've lost Ken.
Okay, let's go together.
Ken?
Nơi phum nơi cái lanh dương so lắm nè.
Pô mà chưa thế nào.
You could put the monk in one of our pictures.
Yeah. So everyone, if everyone go down, then the monk can be with you.
Oh, nice.
Special honor. តែព្រះអង្គនិមន្តជាមួយកណាត់នេះណាថត
Yes.
គាត់ថតតែហ៎
Oh, good luck for us.
អូអត់អី
You should put him in the middle.
Come on, right here.
So
Come on.
don't touch him please.
Oh, don't touch. Sorry.
អូ
Right here.
Yes.
And you can stand on the side.
Yeah.
So we
Don't
should.
touch him. Don't
Okay.
stay
Yeah.
too close to him.
Okay.
Rick,
Sir, I have the one question. Sometimes when I buy a book from Amazon app or Kindle,
Yeah.
some we can buy, but when they tell you us that oh, your device cannot buy, and can you know
reason.
the problem?
No. Their reasons make no sense. Sometimes I wanted a basket. I couldn't buy the basket except if I lived in Illinois. So I'd have to send the basket 3,000 miles away and pay 4 times as much to get the basket. I didn't buy the basket.
No idea.
They make no sense. They,
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
here we go. And Ken, you have to be out a little bit. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, perfect.
Oh, the rain little drops are nice. Thank you.
So thank you
អរគុណ
គាត់ថាអាម៉ាសូនវាមានចងកោដវាមានអីរបស់វាតំបន់ណាតំបន់នៃ
អូ
Maybe he'd like a picture of himself on his phone.
ចឹងថតហើយគាត់កណាត់ថតជឿ
អូ no
no អរគុណ
So this would be the most holy place right in there. This is
Yes, this temple mainly for the god, for religious purpose. Temple were built mainly for three reasons. One for the state temple, as a state temple for the king. 2 for the religious temple. 3 for the ancestors. Those were the 3 major reasons. And this one for religious purpose. So the 3 towers built on the same platform, that's what we call Trinity, Hindu Trinity. So that would be built for Shiva, Brahma, and Vishnu. But unfortunately here, we did not worship Brahma. So Brahma is not here. So Shiva, and Vishnu.
Shiva, Shiva, Vishnu.
Yeah.
And is
the
there any
middle one is
Vishnu?
Shiva,
And one of the
in
outside
the
is
form
Shiva.
of the phallic symbol.
Shiva's the middle
Yeah, Shiva the middle, and then Vishnu on the side, and then the other side is Shiva too. And then the statue of Shiva and his wife that we rediscovered was in this brick tower. The one that we talk about had was stolen after we taken to the museum Phnom Penh, and the head was stolen from the Phnom Penh museum in the 1970s. That's when the war really getting bad.
Yeah, no kidding. Was there anything inside the towers?
Now they know, beside the offerings that local people
They could put
send
things
out. Yeah.
inside?
We try to limit. There's too many. Not
Yeah.
good.
This is the main entrance then we're seeing.
No, actually from the front. There's a room to connect to the middle. And the other 2 towers isolated, not connect to the other middle towers.
Say that again, the middle one doesn't connect?
The middle one connect to the room, the front room. There's a perch. And then on the right, by itself. And the other left also independent as well, but on the same platform. Oh, the light is amazing.
Yeah, the light.
Really good. I just wanted to pour rain on us.
cold rain
Yeah. Well, those little drops are quite delightful. A breeze. I'm not moving. Some from Amazon.
Yeah. When we come here, we like to look close up like this.
nó hai cái cừu tiếp bắt cái xa xa lò bạn
គេហៅថានេះគ្រូចានោះនេះគ្រូអូនមកហើយនេះគ្រូអាប់ណាមើលអាប់ណាយើងទៅឆាប់អានបានទាំងគូទៀតអូនមក
វាផាច់មួយ
ស្វាយចំហេរូបចេះផងអួយស្អាតនេះមកមើលមកស្មាននេះមហាសេនស្អាតចង់ពលឺមកចង់ថ្លង់
Còn nó đích sẽ cái chạy không mồm đắng nữa lư đâm chừng
គុំវាសងហ្នឹង
អូអ៊ំប្រពន្ធពីអូយដល់ឈឺ
ក្នុងចិត្តអត់ចូលទេ
បបពួកវាកាឈូកនៅមើលសុំតែគ្រូមកនៅមើលតែឈូក
តែខ្ញុំនៅមិនក៏មឿតខ្ញុំឃើញជ្រុតខ្ញុំថាសេក្នុងថាហេសេទៅតែអាក្នុងចិត្តនោះថាគ្រុតហើយតែអាមឿតនោះនិយាយទៅនិយាយសេអត់យកខ្លួនអូនត្រូវនិយាយថាសេ
បបពួកវាកាឈូក
This is just a blessing water to the woman woman called Lexi.
Cute. Cute. Hello. Where are you from, sir?
Camilla.
What?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Italy.
Italy, yeah.
Yeah.
Italy.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
family
Beautiful family.
Oh yeah.
Goodbye. What is I? So I don't think that we only change the name of God. Like we put so that the God but the tour have described, but the problems they are not described. Buddhism to go to wonderful is
cho anh Ngọc ơi, chạy ra cho anh ta là kia mình nó.
sisters. No. Này, sau à? I remember it upon the moon. Cái cu môn chè. Mưa cháu thôi vào bãi cái sữa chè mà tao.